14-second shot clock, time 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Monchada. Si Apolinar, number 15. Apolinario, first personal foul and first team foul na Gustavo. 14-second shot clock. Thomas. Nako. Sayang. Chance tuloy na Gustavo. Apolinario to Bastion. Manikan. Oh, there's a chance for Olidos. There is Sampor. 15 seconds shot clock. Basket, 3 points. Gibang. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Lagostan. Apolinario to Basket to begin the side. That is Manikan. No basket. Tolosa. 30 seconds shot clock. Basket for 3. No basket. Layasan again. Marapat na. Chance, tatlo lang ang lalabang. Tampon for 3. Pagkakadad lang. 23. Oh, ang layo nun. 8 minutes, 32 seconds remaining time. Tolosa, Tolosa again. 10 seconds to shoot. Tolosa, chance, Tampon. Si Tampon, galing pa yung Apolinario to Gibang for 3. Monchada, makakuha ni Kuntan. 10 seconds again. We have a foul, 2-1. Number 21. Balijo, first personal foul. And 2 team fouls of Lagostan. Thomas, walang mantay sa stress. Rebound ni Bastion. There is number 21, Balijo to Tolosa. Ubigan si Tolosa. Bang!
Ulang dalawa.
$14 seconds. Thomas. In the corner, that is good time. 5 seconds to shoot. Yes, 3 points from Tampon. Napangalan ng Ninos na isa lang. Ay, that save. Monchada. Sayang, Monchada. 25-26. Tampon, go. Push. Monchada. Naku, Monchada. Basket si Monchada. Tatlo labang, 28-25. Labang, Unidos. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. 14-second shot clock. There is Manigan. Rebound by Bastion. Nakuha ni Thomas to Gibang. Gibang may rebound. Nabitaw ni Kuntan. Chance, Tolosa. Manigan. Bang. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 14-second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Tampon, last ball. 5 seconds. Monchada! 34 seconds. Substitution. Chidor. Wala pagbalik. Here is Balikan. Balijo to to Basel. 10 seconds, tapos. Good chance. Ball down on needles. Go. Let us all play the game. Only 5 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time. Tampor, the shot clock is 14 seconds. Tampor. Bibigay na. Guntan sa niyo. O, bakawan na natin pa. Yan, bibigay kay Guntan. Rebound. Ay, last touch to door. Okay. Second quarter pa rin tayo. Chess, Unidos. There is Baligwan, jersey number 5, layup. Chak, Pempan. Timeout. Notice that 13-27 is number score. That is 3-point lead of Unidos. 4 minutes and 18 seconds is our waiting time. Yes. There is De La Cruz. Layasi. Oh! Still by Guntan, and it is another Kiban. Kiban for 3! Rebound! Chidoro, 10 seconds to shoot. Chidoro, 3 points. Rock Chidoro, jersey number 15. We're foul. Foul number 2, Guntan. First personal foul, Guntan, and first team foul of Unidos. Basket. 28-33. 5 ang laban. De La Cruz. All 4-point lead of Unidos. 3 minutes and 38 seconds waiting time. Tampor again. 40 seconds to shoot. Tampor, 10 seconds. There is Kiban, bigay ng down to Chidoro. Same ball as kay referee Bas. 2 seconds. 2 seconds to shoot. Shot clock, 2 seconds. Chidoro. There is now De La Cruz. Unidos. 3 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time. 33-31. Dalawa na lang ang kalabawan ng Unidos mula sa aning kanila. 4 seconds remaining time. Top 4. Pinarang baga. Binigyan ng square ni Baligwan. Very well. 43! Ay! Chance again, Tolosa, De La Cruz. Bibigay ko Tolosa. And here is, ganda. Grabe, hirap mo, no? Rubens. Deadlock all 33. Ang ating score. Deadlock. There is Thomas. Guntan, wala pa yan ang basket si Guntan. Tres, wala. Ooh! Chance of Unidos. Bibigay kay Chidoro. Yes, basket. Easy na kay Chidoro. Ang salary, Chidoro. 1 minute and 52 seconds. 2 points na that. 2 points. 2. Deadlock again, 35 all. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining time. There is Baligwan. Diretso si Baligwan. Basket. 37-35. De La Cruz bibigay kay Bastion. Rebound by Chidoro. On Eagles, now Bogdan! Ay, wala. Sayang. Here is the first. Oh, counted. Foul, Thomas. Number 10.
Basket sa piyak, time out ako.
First, personal foul, Thomas. Wow, okay. Foul. Substitution. Foul number 3. Tolosa. First personal foul, Tolosa. 3 fouls. Understand. Ooh. Layasa Chungchak Pengkan. 40 seconds remaining time. Chidoro. 14 seconds to shoot. Hey, sayang Chidoro. Candeleta. 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Tolosa to the Ruiz. No more shot clock. 5 seconds remaining time. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. That is the end of the second quarter, 37-39 on the score.